Good afternoon, this is Brett Hayworth for Siouxland Public Media News. The families of 4 people who died of COVID-19 in 2020 after working at the Tyson meatpacking plant in Waterloo are asking the Iowa Supreme Court to let their lawsuits against company leaders continue. The workers' families are asking the Iowa Supreme Court to overturn a lower court's decision that dismissed their claims as a workers' compensation issue. Attorney G. Brian Ulmer III on Thursday told the justices that Tyson executives and supervisors committed fraud and gross negligence that caused the 4 employees to die of COVID. He said the Tyson leaders told employees the virus wasn't spreading at the plant and told workers with COVID symptoms to keep coming to work.
All the while, supervisors were placing bets on how many positive COVID-19 cases would result from the outbreak. The end result was the largest workplace outbreak of COVID-19 in the entire country.
Lawyers for Tyson's leaders say the claims should be in the workers' compensation system and that the plaintiff's allegations don't fit the definition of fraud. The Iowa Supreme Court has until the end of June to issue a decision. In other news, Iowans have elected the first transgender representative to serve in the state legislature. Democrat Amy Wickendall of Hiawatha won the race for the open seat in Iowa House District 80 in the Cedar Rapids area.
Is a lot of different emotions processing on Tuesday evening. Excited to be elected to the House of Representatives, excited to do the people's work, but also concerned about the trends that we saw both statewide and nationwide, as I think a lot of people are rightly concerned for.
Wickendall also made history in 2015 as the first transgender elected official in the state when she was voted onto the Hiawatha City Council. She joins a Democratic majority in the Iowa House that lost ground in this year's elections. Republicans held enough seats to form a supermajority in the Iowa House in 2025. Elsewhere in the Iowa legislature, state Senate Republicans this week have re-elected Jack Whitver as Senate Majority Leader. Whitver has held the Senate's top position since 2018. Senate Republicans also re-elected Amy Sinclair as Senate President. Iowa Senate Democrats still need to elect a new minority leader with the retirement of Pam Yoakum. For Siouxland Public Media News, I'm Brett Hayworth.